Did y'all see they tried to take down what this woman just said? She's 76, but she looks like she's in her 40s. Watch this.
You're not tired. You don't have bad circulation. You don't have a weak immune system. You don't have all these energy issues. What you have is nutrient depletion. To most people, nutrient depletion means you need to eat more vegetables, take a multivitamin, and you'll be fine. No, nutrient depletion is different than that. We go through life feeling run down, but a lot of it is silent malnutrition, including my speciality, blood health. That constant fatigue, the poor sleep quality, the weak nails, the thinning hair, it's not just stress, it's a nutritional problem at the cellular level. So how do we fix nutrient depletion? Well, nutrient depletion is caused by mineral-poor modern food and poor absorption. And if you're over 30 and you've spent the last couple of decades eating conventionally grown produce, dealing with digestive stress, high cortisol levels, or processed convenience foods, there's a good chance your body is barely absorbing what you eat. Because modern farming doesn't just produce less flavorful food, it strips the soil of essential minerals, grows crops in depleted earth, and fills grocery stores with beautiful-looking but nutritionally empty produce. That emptiness in your food shows up as brain fog, weak immunity, and a body that feels depleted no matter how much you eat. So how do you fix it? Well, not many people believe me when I tell them there's a natural superfood which can deliver 92 nutrients your body is starving for. It has been used for thousands of years in India, the Philippines, and parts of Africa. But you'll know how it is. They never talk about it enough in America. This ancient superfood is called moringa. Moringa has a rare nutrient density that includes something called zeatin. That's what helps your cells actually use the vitamins and minerals, supports healthy blood flow, and fights oxidative stress. I've been recommending it for years to the women I talk to at 35, 50 years old, who feel exhausted, nutritionally starved, and frustrated with supplements that don't work. Just weeks later, they always message me back, thanking me because their energy is different, their skin looks alive again, and the only thing they did different was taking some moringa every morning. But please be careful. To make sure you're getting real moringa, it must be pure leaf powder with no fillers, tested by third-party labs. I've tried many brands, and the one that I personally use and recommend is called Moringa Magic. That's because their moringa is organic, comes from small farms, and the reviews speak for themselves. If you check out what people are saying, you'll see why so many are making the switch. Now, I can't post external links in this video because of platform rules, but if you want to learn more about Moringa Magic, check my profile. There's information there that can help you find it. The only thing I'll say is this: good moringa from ethical sources tends to sell out fast, especially when people discover it. So if you're interested in trying it, I'd check sooner rather than later, because the women I work with have told me they've had to wait weeks before it's back in stock. But go check my profile if you want to see for yourself, and if it speaks to you, I'd grab some while you can.